Hi guys, it's Miss Rebecca, and today in woodworking we're going to be working with our wooden nuts and bolts and doing some fine motor skills. So, the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to try to connect these two with our bolt. I'm going to put this little thing on there so it doesn't fly off. It works as a nut. We're just turning. There we go. There's that. We're going to try to connect this one onto this end. And here's our bolt and nut. And now we have our movable invention. And we worked on our fine motor skills, so now let's try to unscrew everything. There's the first two pieces. There's that one, and they all fall apart. And that was our woodworking for today. Thank you.